back in South Florida. It's springtime and we need to clean the AC coils. Never done this. Had this trailer for quite a while. So here's a how-to. Well, maybe I shouldn't call it a how-to. Maybe it's because I've never done this before, so I guess it's a kind of we'll learn as we go type of deal. So, alright. So I've disconnected the power. I'm not really a big fan of the ladder on the back, so I went ahead and set up my ladder. The only thing is it's 11 foot and the trailer's 11 foot, so that makes things a little bit exciting. And for my own entertainment, I figured it would be best to do this job in flip-flops. So let's go get high. Okay, so for tools, just got a Phillips head screwdriver. Some of the brushes, I just bought a cheapo paintbrush, another brush I had, and the coil cleaner stuff. And it looks like on my unit here, I just have these four screws, Phillips head screws to remove to get the shroud off the top of the AC. So let's get going on that. Never cleaned the AC coils in this thing, so I'm thinking we're gonna have a nice little mess on our hands. Okay, I'm gonna have to jump out there and say that this was overdue. That is nasty. I guess we're gonna put these chemicals to the test and see what they're all about. Yeah, that needs some cleaning. Well, the goodies I chose to use here is the PF Pure Filter 2000. Woo woo! Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Well, the instructions say shake it, spray it, let it set for several minutes to dissolve and break down the residue and dirt. So now we wait. It's been percolating and marinating for a good 10-12 minutes now. Don't know, maybe I should brush it again and maybe do it one more time. Or maybe I should rinse it. Let's give her one more douse. I think I'll go ahead and do one more coat out in the back as well. Alright, well, that was a piece of cake. Just a little bit of effort and time with the brush. 2 coats of the coil remover, good to go. Maybe a half-hour job. Now it's Pier 30. Might just hang out up here for a little while. Well, thanks for joining me, folks. Again, all you really needed was the coil cleaner, Phillips head screwdriver, some water, some rags, a couple brushes. I bought a $2 little chop paintbrush. Worked great. 15-20 minutes, maybe a half hour, because mine was way overdue. But maybe it'll be something I can work into my routine maintenance. Sounds good. Oh boy, here goes.